Welcome to SADX. This video I am trying to solve step by step these three math, which is very important for any kinds of competitive examination. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel SADX. So let's get started. We will simplify this exponent. Here is 5 inside bracket 8 to the power 1 by 3, 27 to the power 1 by 3 and to the power 3 and whole to the power 1 by 4. Look, it's not complex. It's looking interesting. We will try to solve step by step. First, we have to work what? First bracket. Okay? So it will be unchanged. 5. This 8 we can write 2 to the power 3 times here is 1 by 3 plus 27 we can write 3 to the power 3 times this 1 by 3. Bracket will be closed. Here power will be 3 and third bracket will be closed. Here is 1 by 4. It's a power. Now this 3 divide 3, again 3 divide 3. So almost simplification complete. Like here is 5, then 2 to the power 1, it means only 2. Here is 3 to the power 1, again 3, and this 2 plus 3 to the power, here is 3, and whole to the power 1 by 4. Okay, then 5 times 2 plus 3 is a 5, and here is power 3 and whole to the power 1 by 4. Okay, then this power, this is 5 and power is 1. We know once base are same, that time in product power will be add. It means 5, 1 plus 3, and here is, or we can use third bracket, 1 by 4. So very simple, 5 to the power 4 times 1 by 4. So 5 and 5 out, 5 to the power 1, and our answer is 5. Very simple. So if you start and try to solve step by step, look, this is very important, step by step, then any kinds of problem you can solve smoothly. Root 20 times root 5, very interesting math, because root 20, how can we simplify? This one we can write root 4 times 5, right? And here is root 5. Now we can write this one root 4 times root 5. How? And here is also root 5. Now how? We know root AB can be write root A times root B. Okay, now root 4 is a perfect square, so once root 4 it will be 2 times, here is root 5 times root 5, so root 5 square it will be only 5, so here is just 5. Our answer is 2 times 5 is 10. Very simple. Okay, here is 4 by 11 to the power x minus 1 equals to 11 by 4 to the power x minus 5. So we have to find out the value of x. So one thing, suppose a by b, we can write this one b by a to the power minus 1, just inverse. This case here is 4 by 11 or 11 by 4, any one side we can make like this way, inverse fraction. So we can write this one 11 divide 4 and then to the power minus 1 and whole to the power x minus 1. Okay, equal, here is 11 divide 4 to the power x minus 5. Now here is 11 by 4 and then minus 1 times x, it will be minus x, and minus 1 times minus 1, it will be plus, so here is 1. And here is 11 by 4 to the power x minus 5. Okay, now look, both base are same. It means 11 by 4 and 11 by 4. We know once base are same, it means a to the power m equal a to the power n. It means base are same, so power will be equal. This case we can write minus x plus 1 equal, here is x minus 5. Now we can exchange variable and constant. So minus x and this x become minus x equal, here is minus 5 and this one become minus 1. So minus x minus 2x equal minus 5 minus 1, it will be minus 6. Now we can divide both sides by minus 2. We will get x equals to 3 and this is our answer. Very simple. So this video I am trying to solve a 3 math based on exponent and arithmetic simplification. It means order of operation. So it's a very important, every math is very important, so carefully handle this one. And if you face any confusion or any problem, please write a line in the comment section and subscribe my channel SadX. Thank you.